Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. It's funny, we say the kick-ass helmet graphic of the week, but we never do one every week. We just only do one whenever we find something that tickles my pickle. And inside the Fly Racing Helmet Garage today, we have something that I really like. I've been waiting for this one for a long time. This is the Scorpion EXO R1 Air Bautista replica graphic, and it is in my favorite color scheme, which would be red, white, and blue. Look at the bass boat flakes in that blue paint. This thing is absolutely stunning. Does have his number on the back, but whatever, man, it looks really cool. This helmet is $459. It ships with a premium helmet bag. It ships with a clear screen as well as the dark smoke screen that we have on the helmet now. Since its introduction last year, we have sold a ton of these. There are a lot of happy people riding around in these Scorpion EXO R1 Airs. And now maybe you could be one riding around in this all-new Bautista.